Hello everybody, this is Angelina. Today I want to talk to you about a website that I was using for the last few months. This website is a site that you can make money from. Basically, it gives you ads to click. Sometimes it gives you surveys, but there are not many surveys. There are lots of ads to click, and when you click the ads you earn money. So the site has free level of membership. Free level, which you sign up, you become a free member, and you can upgrade to gold or platinum membership. I'm a gold member from few months, and just to give you an idea, this is my earning for in the last few days. So you can see how much money I was making here in the last few days. You can also earn money from referrals, but I have only one referral, who is a friend of mine. I don't really make money with referrals. I don't really have time to find referrals, but that's also not difficult if you know how to do it. And HTML code, I know how to use it, but I don't have time. But again, it's not difficult. I have 67 cents from HTML code, but I'm going to make another video on how to make money with HTML code. Again, here is my earning here, and today I want to talk to you about how to pay out your money from the site. So, what I do is that I use Auto Payout. Auto Payout is just that they send you money, but you don't have to do anything. You only need to enable Auto Payout. To enable Auto Payout, you go to settings, and then you go to Payout settings. Here, you have to write your PayPal and your Bitcoin, okay? Only these two options. It was great if they had bank transfer, but they don't have. So they offer you PayPal or Bitcoin. If you have PayPal, just use PayPal. Write your PayPal email address. If you don't have PayPal and you want to use Bitcoin, write your Bitcoin wallet address here and make sure you enter a correct Bitcoin address. And then if you come down to the page, you have to enable Auto Payout. I think the default option is disabled when you come to the site for the first time, but you have to come here, enter your PayPal, for example, and enable this Auto Payout status. You click enable and you choose you want to receive your money with PayPal or Bitcoin. For example, I choose PayPal and save settings. It says your Auto Payout enabled. You will receive your PayPal payout periodically. So this means you will receive your money with Auto Payout. Before I want to show you where it is. Here. So you can see the money paid me this money with Auto Payout. But today I want to show you, if you want to get more than $10, like if you want to get all your balance, how to do it. So for that you have to go to payout page. It's here. I have done this one time before, but I'm going to do it again for the sake of this video. So here, after you click on payout page, you come here, and this was my balance, how much I have in my account, and here you can see the minimum payout. And so first I have to choose the method. I want to use payout. For example, I want to choose PayPal because I like PayPal. So how much do I want for this transfer? Let's say $50, okay? Let's say I want to transfer $50 to my PayPal. Okay. So I have chosen PayPal. Here say your payout will be sent to your PayPal. This is my correct email. This is the amount. And here I click transfer. And yes, I think that it's okay now. Yeah. Okay. Good. As you can see here, this is the payout I received. This is the last one I just submitted for $50. It says PayPal and it says pending transfer. So if you use PayPal, Payout, you have to wait a couple of days. After you submit, it shows pending transfer, and then you have to wait few days. Last time it took me 2 days, but take 2-3 days to receive the money, okay? So go back and you can see here is my new balance after deducing $50 from my account, and I still have Auto Payout option enabled here. This means I can still receive money with Auto Payout. So this was just to show you how you can request payout from the site. So with this website, if you upgrade your account, you can not make huge amount of money. It is decent as you can see. So if you think this is like a full-time job, it's not. It doesn't give you $10 a day. It's a simple job and you have to work. In my opinion, if you have time to work, then that's okay. But if you don't have time, maybe it's not for you. Again, I'm not making money with referrals. I will make another video about HTML code later. So yes, that's it. I will review some other websites in the future and the site that you can make money with. So write your comments and let me know what you think about the video. Thank you.